all, today I'd like to show you how fast and easy it is to use ip.labs white label content for your own shop. First, I have to go to my content. As you can see, I'm already logged in. I'm selecting the example of stickers now. And then I click on both shared stickers and select an ip.labs white label account. Going to category Travel and Places. And as you can see, there are 117 stickers inside. Most of them are already used by my shop. But you can see that here's one sticker I'm not using yet. So I select this one and confirm to use it for my own shop. When I now go back to my own shop, I can see that in the list of recently added stickers, the new one is just here. Have fun using my content.